Everyone, this question is about numerical solution of equations, but it involves trigonometric graphs. By sketching a suitable pair of graphs, so we have to sketch y equals cotangent x and y equals 2 minus cos x. So to draw y equals cotangent x, you have to at least know or memorize the graph of y equals tangent x, which is like this. For the cotangent x, which is 1 over tangent x, so here when the y is 0, we will get 1 over 0 here, which is infinity, which means we have an asymptote. And at this point here, the y is infinity or negative infinity, so the reciprocal is 1 over infinity, which is 0. So basically vertical asymptotes becomes x-intercepts and x-intercepts becomes vertical asymptote. So this is the y equals cotangent x graph. We only need from 0 to pi over 2. For the 2 minus cos x, we start with the basic y equals cos x. So if we flip upside down, or if we do minus cos x, we get this. And now we slide 2 units upwards, so minus 1 plus 2 becomes 1, and this 1, the peak here, 1 plus 2 becomes 3, and this coordinate is pi over 2 comma 2, comma 0, it becomes pi over 2 comma 2. So we slide all the points 2 units upwards. So this is the right hand side. Now we combine the two functions only until pi over 2. So for the green one, we use this part here. So from the x-intercept pi over 2 to this asymptote, vertical asymptote, and for this part we start at 1 and the end point is pi over 2 comma 2. So since we have one intersection, this proves we have only one root from this equation here. Okay, it has only one root because only we have one intersection. Now the next part, showed by calculation that the root lies between. So this is the original equation. Just move everything to the left or to the right. Let's just move this to the right. We get minus cotangent. We replace the x with 0.6 and 0.8. Use a calculator. You will get something negative and something positive, which means we have a sign change, and you have to draw the conclusion. You have to write that, just rewrite this part, root lies between 0.6 and 0.8. And part C, now we use this formula to find the root. So previously we know here we use 0.6 and 0.8, so the mid value or the average, just add, divide by 2, we get 0.7. This can be the starting point. So just use the midpoint of the two values you have to verify, 0.6, 0.8, plus you add, divide by 2, you get 0.7, and then use a calculator. We have to use radians for decimal places, and then you go back in the calculator, press the left button, replace the 0.7 with the enter button, press the equal sign, you get this, equal sign again, you get this, equal sign again, and so on. Just keep pressing the equal sign until the display doesn't change anymore, so the value converges to this, and the final answer in 2dp is therefore 0.68. Alright, see you again next time.